Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the topic function overriding by means of Python. Function overriding is a topic which comes under inheritance. In order to understand the function overriding, I have shared a piece of code with you all. Within this piece of code, I have used two classes. First is organization and the second one is unit class. Organization class is the base class which is inherited by subclass unit. As we can see that both the classes are containing the same function name, display name. Display name is in subclass. It is also in base class with the same parameter list. Now come to this piece of code. Object equals to organization. Obj is an object of which class? Organization class. Obj.displayName. Obj object is invoking the display name. Now the question arises is which class display name function will be invoked? Answer is very simple. Object is Obj is an object of which class? Organization class. Therefore, the display name function will be invoked of which class? Definitely organization class. Therefore, the control will go to the display name function of organization class, and within the display function we have a single statement which is printing a particular statement, and the statement is inside base oblique parent class. Now the control will come to this particular statement, object 1 equals to unit. What this statement is doing is this is creating an object 1 of unit class. Now the control comes to the next statement, and the statement is object 1 dot display name. Object 1 is an object of which class? Unit class. Therefore, the display name function of unit class will be called. The control will go here and it will execute the print statement inside the display name function of subclass. Therefore, it will print inside subclass oblique child class. Now I am executing this piece of code for you all. Let's see whether we are getting the expected results or not. Yay! We are getting our expected result. First, the statement inside base oblique parent class is printed. Next, inside subclass oblique child class is printed. Now, how can we call the display name function of parent class using the display name of subclass? Is it possible? Yes, this is possible. This is possible in two ways. One way is we can use super function, and the another way is we can use the class name dot function name. First we'll see super function. In order to see this, I am commenting this print statement and uncommenting this super statement. Now when we'll execute this particular statement, object 1 dot display name. Object 1 is an object of which class? Unit class. Definitely we all know this. Therefore, the display name of which class will be called? Child class, that is unit class. Therefore, display name of unit class is called. But inside display name function, the statement written is super dot display name. What it means? That is, it calls the display name function of super class, means of base class. Therefore, this function is invoked and the print statement inside the display name function of base class is executed, and the output is inside base oblique parent class. Therefore, as per our expectation, the result is to be, first line is to be the same, but the second line will change. What the second line will be? It must be same as the inside base oblique parent class. I am going to execute this code for you all. Let's see whether we are getting the results as per our expectations. Yes, the result is printing two lines inside base oblique parent class. Now, similar thing can be happened by means of class name. Let's see. In order to see this, I am commenting super statement. Now, when we'll execute this statement, it compromises of object of subclass. Therefore, display name function will be called of which class? Definitely subclass. We'll go to the display name function of subclass, but inside this function, we are calling the display name of organization class. Now, the control will go to the display name of organization class, and by means of print statement, the statement inside base oblique parent class will be printed. In order to see whether we are getting the expected result, I am executing this code for you all. Let's see. Yes, we are getting the two same statements inside base oblique parent class, that is in both the statements obj.displayName and obj1.displayName, the display name function of base class is executed. I hope you all have understood this topic very clearly. In case of any query, you can mail to me or you can write to me. Thanks.